Hi, this is a meeting with the Sandhguru, and he was telling that why you should not eat beef. He was saying that the cows was very important in the ancient India, and like we passed difficult situations, like if we have like a dry season. So I mean the cow will help us pass this season because the cow will give us milk, so we have enough nutrition during that dry season and difficult and complex agriculture situations. So okay, but the cow is depending on the grass. So I mean, how the cow will live during that dry season. So the cow also will have a problem also, not you. Also, he was saying that the cow is like our second mother, because he's saying that when you are young, for example, if you are in a village and you have cow and you have young children, so these young children will drink from that cow milk. So it will be like somewhat like a second mother to these children. So okay, you have in this situation good point of view. But I mean, why don't you consider that importance for the cow only? Because, for example, you have, for example, the chickens. The chickens, for example, if you eat the egg from that chicken, that egg could be fertilized. So actually, you are maybe eating the child of that chicken, and you don't know because it's the egg baby fertilized. So you are eating the egg, but you don't know actually if it's their young children in the future. Also, if you are, you are considering the emotions of that cow. If you would take the fish also to compare to the fish can't give you any sound, but if you hurt a fish, it will not give you any sound, but you'll see from its movement, it feels uncomfortable, so you know there is something, so it feels. So even the fish has some kind of feeling, even it can't give you any sound like the cow or the chicken. Also, I mean, you are giving the importance to the cow, but why not to the grass? I mean, the cow is depending on the grass. And also, if you think of the grass, I mean, the grass also maybe have some kind of feeling. I mean, you can see some kind of plants that when you touch the leaves will fold in response, and it has some kind of reflex in response to that touch. So actually, even the plants, it's kind of like have reaction to the touch or to the movement. Even the flowers, I mean, some kind of flowers, it will open in the morning and it will close its leaves in the night. So I mean, you are considering the cow has a feeling, but also, as you can see these examples, the grass can also have some kind of feelings. If you are like considering the cow has like a red flesh and red blood, the grass and the plants, they could be we can tell that the grass has a green flesh, a green blood. Why it should be red? So you can consider it something related to the human, and it's more close to the human. It should be a red blood. And also, when you consider the consciousness and the intelligence of the cow, if you see the monkeys and the chimps, they have more consciousness, more intelligence than the cow. They can even sometimes they use simple tools, like they use a stone to break some kind of fruit that have a hard shell, so they can eat what's inside. Also, if you consider the dolphins, for example, if you compare the dolphins' intelligence to the cow, the dolphins have more intelligence to the cow. Even the dolphins, like sometimes they like to play. Maybe the cows, that is not very, they don't like always to play like the dolphins. So as we can see, that his point of view is weak in this situation, because he's like saying the cow is like, it's close to us. We are considering the feeling of the cow. We are considering the spirit of the cow. Okay, but this is based on what? Do you have any like in the religion? You have anything in the religions, in your religion or in your teaching, that express that the cows more important than other animals? So I mean, we need some evidence. We need some evidence to see that the cow is really have something holy or spiritual than other plants or animals.